I work with foreign clients. They like the idea of the variable interest rate because it's cheaper. 0.5, 0.7 is a lot better than 2.1. 2.1 is good for a fixed 35-year rate, but it's still significantly more expensive than the variable rate. If you think that the rate is going to go up significantly in the future and you want a 35-year fixed term, then flat 35 is often the cheaper option. But it has been good only up to properties 80 million yen and below. Again, the people who take it are the ones who want a 35-year fixed, or people who are a business owner or self-employed who don't want to put the 20% deposit, then it's a good option. They are generally the ones who will choose flat 35. And now it works well because, again, for properties now that are 120 million yen, these people can still use flat 35.